Friends, watch this video. On this video, one woman was selling the quill birds at the market in Suryapeta. Friends, today we bought 2 pair of quill birds with the 500 rupees. Today our quill bird fry, friends, due to our daughters likes to use it to eat quill bird meat especially. So we bought and we fried today. Friends, enrich quill bird meat enrich protein, vitamins, minerals, low fat to our body. Generally we make the quill bird meat curry, fry, roast, and stuff, pickle, biryani. And this quill bird meat give the health benefits, the shiny skin, and strong bones, and heart benefits, and the immunity, and good to the all things, aid to anemia. You are also taste it, friends. You are also eat once and